If your family is anything like mine, then the recent quarantines have caused a major disruption to your daily life. Schools, athletics, public events, everything is being put on hold as we wait for the outbreak to subside. In the meantime, many of us are finding ourselves at home with our loved ones wondering, what are we going to eat? I know a lot of you out there probably have relied pretty heavily on restaurants and takeout and ordering delivery to keep your family fed. As someone who's been in the food service industry for almost 25 years, I want to say I really appreciate that. However, as public health officials are in some cases recommending and in other cases requiring folks to stay isolated, you may find yourself staring at a kitchen that you rarely ever use and feel a little bit out of place. Is that the case for you? If so, I want you to know that just because you're isolated does not mean that you're alone. I am here to help. All this week, starting March 16th, I will be going live on my YouTube channel every evening starting at 9 p.m. Eastern for Cookin' with Kibby, live at 9. I want to make myself available to you to answer your home cooking questions. It could be about knife skills, ingredients, techniques, equipment, you name it. I will do my best to give you the advice that you need to help feed your hungry loved ones. Look, I know this is a scary time. I'm just as concerned as anybody else. I also believe that this could be a wonderful opportunity for you and your family to adopt new practices and create new habits in your home. You may find, as I have, that the shared act of cooking and eating with those you love can be an enjoyable and fulfilling and a rewarding activity, an activity that allows you to grow stronger, more meaningful relationships with your kiddos. If anything good could possibly come out of this time of panic, I think this could be it. I believe this because I've seen it in my life, and I hope to see it in yours as well. Because I believe that life is better when we're cooking together. So join me tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern on the Cookin' with Kibby YouTube channel for Cookin' with Kibby live at 9. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button, click the bell for notifications so that you will know when I'm going live. And until then, I'll see you in the kitchen.